Imagine harnessing the power of your mind to improve focus and clarity. How, you ask? Through the timeless practice of meditation. It's more than just deep breathing and tranquility. It's a mental exercise that can transform your brain, promoting mental well-being. Meditation sharpens your focus, clears your mind, and can even boost your creativity. It's like a workout for your brain, but without the sweat. So picture a life with less stress and more clarity. Yes, it's possible, and it's called meditation. In a world that never stops, maintaining focus and clarity is a common challenge. We're constantly bombarded with information from every angle. Emails, notifications, news updates, the list goes on. This relentless stream of data is like a storm in our minds, creating a fog that obscures our focus and clarity. Our brains, remarkable as they are, can only process so much information at once. Exceed that limit, and we risk becoming overwhelmed, stressed, and mentally fatigued. This has a ripple effect on our productivity, our decision-making abilities, and ultimately our well-being. Not to mention the constant distractions that vie for our attention, pulling us away from the task at hand and scattering our thoughts to the four winds. It's no wonder that so many of us struggle to keep our thoughts clear and our minds focused. But don't worry, there's a solution, and it's simpler than you might think. Enter meditation, your secret weapon to combat the focus challenge. This ancient practice can be a game changer, offering a sanctuary from the fast-paced world and paving the way towards a clearer, sharper mind. Meditation is more than just a relaxation technique. It's a tool for nurturing your brain. Scientific studies have shown that meditation can significantly reduce stress, one of the biggest culprits behind mental fog. But that's just the beginning. By calming the mind and allowing it to focus on the present moment, meditation improves cognitive function. It enhances our ability to process information, make decisions, and recall memories. What's more, it can increase our attention span, making it easier to stay on task and maintain clarity throughout the day. These benefits aren't just for seasoned meditators. Even beginners can start reaping the rewards of a clearer mind with just a few minutes of daily practice. So how can you get started on this journey towards mental clarity? Starting with meditation is easier than you think. Let's explore some beginner-friendly techniques. First, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. You can sit or lie down as long as you're comfortable. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, in through your nose, out through your mouth. This helps to relax your body and mind. Now, focus on your breath. Feel it as it goes in and out. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just gently bring it back to your breath. This is called mindfulness meditation, and it's a great starting point. You don't have to meditate for hours at a time. Start small, maybe 5 minutes a day, and gradually increase as you get more comfortable. And don't be too hard on yourself. It's normal for your mind to wander, especially in the beginning. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to meditation. Stay patient, and you'll start to see the benefits before you know it. So why should meditation be a part of your daily routine? Well, it's simple. Meditation can significantly enhance your mental clarity and overall well-being. It's a powerful tool to navigate the fast-paced world with focus and poise. Make meditation a part of your life and notice the difference it makes. And there you have it, the path to a focused and clear mind. Why not take a moment to try a short meditation session? Feel the calm, the clarity. It's right there waiting for you. Share your meditation experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear how it's going for you.